Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to use HandBrake presets to quickly convert and compress videos without messing with complicated settings. Presets basically do the heavy lifting for you, so this makes everything a lot faster. First, open HandBrake on your computer, then click Open Source and select the video you want to work on. Once your video loads, look on the right side of the screen. You'll see the presets panel, which contains different ready-made settings for quality, size, and device compatibility. If you're not sure what to pick, start with Fast 1080p or Very Fast 1080p. These are balanced options that give good quality while keeping file size under control. HandBrake also includes device presets for phones, tablets, and streaming platforms. If you're uploading to a specific device, choosing one of these can save you time and prevent compatibility issues. To apply a preset, just click on it once. HandBrake will automatically update all settings like resolution, encoder, and bitrate based on that selection. You can still tweak settings after applying a preset. For example, you might lower the quality a bit or change the output format if needed, so it's flexible, not locked in. Finally, choose your output folder, then click Start Encode. HandBrake will process your video using the preset you selected. And that's it, you now know how to use HandBrake presets. Once you get comfortable with them, you can convert videos in just a couple of clicks.